So let's say here on another issue, remember we are continuing with our budget lines and indifference curves, okay? Let's say, for example, if you're checking here, there has been a what? A decrease in the price of good X. Good X price has decreased, okay? Definitely we know that if the price decreases, there's going to be an increase in real incomes, and we are likely to experience a rightward shift in the what? In the budget line. So if you are checking there, in this scenario, because good Y's price actually remained the same in terms of the price, you see that here there was not going to be any change in good what? In good Y, but good X will actually have a rightward shift in its budget line from B1 to B what? To B2. But it doesn't happen like that automatically. What happens is the same scenario I explained just before this video, that the first movement takes place along the same indifference curve, okay, from E1 to ET2. So the consumer is likely to start purchasing more of what? Of good X, because its price has fallen. So there will be a movement first along the same indifference curve from E1 to point what? E2. And if you're checking there, if you're going to this point E2, it means the consumer is now purchasing this quantity from that quantity that it used to purchase. So it's purchasing more here. The consumer is purchasing more at E2. This creates an imaginary budget line here, B3. But with time, you see that there is now going to be what? A shift from B1 to B2 of the budget line, caused by the what? The increase in real income, which will result in us moving to a new point here, which is now budget line what? 2. Okay? With a new equilibrium point, E what? E3. So remember, what happens here is the substitution effect, where there is the movement along the same indifference curve, like just what we said last time. It's actually the substitution effect, and here this movement from E2 to E3 represents our what? It represents our what? It represents our income effect, okay? It's very important. I want you to know this. This is very important. Economics is actually easy, okay? So that is what happens basically when the price of a product goes up or down, and how it impacts on the budget line and the indifference what? Indifference curves. It's very important that you go over this stuff and understand it. If you actually have a need for extra lessons, I'm Mr. Ndengwa. My number is 0782 491 710. We can organize one-to-one lessons. We can organize even group lessons. I'm available according to demand. So enjoy this lesson. Actually follow us, subscribe, and continue to watch our videos. I'll be uploading videos for economics, business studies, and geography on my channel. So feel free. This is Cambridge AS level and A level. Thank you.